clamp or something?
It's like a clamp, yeah, so it's gonna nut, go through the fittings.
They still look good,
Because
yeah.
they don't really go bad, you know?
Until they're like threaded.
So we'll do a little video on how to make that bubble flare or double flare. Papa can find for you to play with.
Huh?
What is this?
That is a planter.
That's a hole in this planter.
Yep, there's a hole in the planter. That's so water can get through.
Got it with the back one too, What about if I could take the steering linkage off?
Steering linkage.
Knuckle for your column, for your steering column.
You can see you can get there, man.
The drums. What are we looking at here, Georgie? In terms of like repair or replace.
Well,
What about all this nastiness?
that's that guy greased. He greased all of these fittings all the time, which made them last a long time. But
They need to be replaced
well,
eventually.
yeah. I mean, it's still working. It's not terrible, right? But yeah, and I'm guessing, you know, this is how you grease the wheel bearings is in here somehow. I don't know.
Yeah.
More information is needed, but you know, something I noticed here, like that bushing on your control arm is really ugly.
Yeah.
And it's a pain in the butt.
See.
You know, because it looks like all of the boots on these parts are blown, like your steering linkage,
Uh-huh.
and then you've got your God, what are these called? Idler arm is over there, and then this is your pitman arm.
Uh-huh.
And here's your steering gearbox.
Right. It seems to be fine.
Yeah, it works. It's not making any noise or anything,
No.
which is really good. And I'm looking, looks like these brakes got plenty of life in them, and from what I can see, they've worn evenly. So it's all a good sign. I mean, you know, my first instinct is to just be like, oh, it's got to get replaced, just because, you know, you
Yeah.
listen to
83.
front end mechanics talk on online, and they're like, if there's grease on the outside of that thing, the boot's blown, and that means that there's gonna be water and rust in there, and that they'll fail. But you know,
It
clearly,
doesn't seem to be an issue at all, though. right
no,
now.
it doesn't. Which, I mean, I think there's just so much grease on there. I don't think there's any way water could get in there. I mean, that thing is. I mean, the boot is underneath. I mean, I can't even feel it. There it is. It's underneath probably a 1/4 inch of grease. I mean, there's.
It's summertime project or heated garage project.
Yeah, you know, or
Maria's or something.
get some
It's,
sort of a steam cleaner. And
Yeah.
Well,
steam it off.
well, I mean, I think the second you clean it off,
And
that's when you got to replace it.
Yeah.
I think that's what's protecting it. Be kind of dope if this thing had a 20-inch lift on it and it was this tall, wouldn't it?
We could do it.
Right, we can do it.
No,
They
not
put-
unless we made the wheelbase
Well, but
wider.
but yeah, we can do. But then if we're gonna do that, we might as well make it a 4-wheel drive.
Yeah, 20-inch lift.
Yeah. 31-inch tires.
Yeah. Just super ridiculous. I love it.
Yeah, it would be. It'd be absolutely ridiculous.
Yeah,
you
just
know?
completely. Why not? Why not?
Why not?
Yeah.
Could be done, you know.
Could be done.
Just beyond our. Well, maybe it isn't.
Yeah, maybe not.
Maybe it's not beyond our capability if we had a place to do it.
Yeah.
It's definitely summertime work.
Oh
so.
God, yeah.
No.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so there's probably
Yeah.
bird food in there. I have, so there's special
Probably
wrenches.
Probably
for-
better for them than when I was
for brakes.
eating it, you know. We had leaded gas in that day.
Here you look, like this.
Okay.
Fittings,
They still look good.
because
Yeah.
they don't really go bad, you know.
Uh-huh.
Until they're like deep threaded.
So we'll do a little video on how to make that bubble
Okay.
flare or double flare.
Okay. Have you got the tool for that?
I do indeed. Yep, so we just need to get some copper, and this looks like 3/16, but we'll take it in. You'll take it in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In the old
And just get a hunk. I think they sell it in like 10 or 20-foot spools.
Okay.
So just get whatever the smallest amount is for today. And you don't need the tool, and we don't need the fittings, because we'll just
Okay.
reuse them. So Harry can cut these off. I got a right here. This is what you use to cut brake line or any kind of
Tubing.
tubing. Yeah, this is a tubing cutter. So we'll do a little bit of that when we get back from the store.